I am super excited to share the new Box CLI with you. We've engineered it to be even easier for people to use and their agents. My name's Carter Rabasa. I'm the head of developer relations at Box, and let's dive right in. So the first thing you need to do is get the CLI, and that's as easy as an npm install. I'm going to switch over to my terminal. Once you have the Box CLI, you need to authenticate. So let's go ahead and do that. New in this version of the CLI are two authentication experiences. One allows you to log in as yourself using auth, and the other allows you to create a platform app to create customized scopes for what the Box CLI can and cannot do. But I'm going to go ahead and log in as myself. This is going to open up a browser, which gives me clear ideas about what scopes I'm granting to the Box CLI. So I'm going to go ahead and grant that access. And this screen tells me that I'm logged in. Awesome. All systems go. So we can go ahead and test that by running a pretty simple command. This is the users get me API, and it just tells me who I'm logged in as. But that's only half the fun. So the Box CLI is incredibly powerful. People have been using it for years to automate all kinds of tasks. There's tons that you can do with it. But what's fun is how you can use it with agents. So I'm going to go ahead and open Claude Code. So I've got Claude Code opened. So let's go ahead and give it like a really meaty task. In this case, I'm going to ask the Box CLI to upload all of the invoices that are in the current working directory to an invoices folder on Box. I'm going to run structured metadata extraction on all of those PDFs. I've already defined a metadata template that tells Box what kind of metadata fields I'm looking for. I'm going to have that extraction happen on all of these PDFs. And then I'm going to ask Claude Code to then take those values and store them back to Box on each of those individual files. So we're going to go ahead and allow this to grind through a little bit and see what happens. Right. So as you see, we've gone through all 4 of those PDFs and we've extracted this metadata. So now let's go over my Box account and make sure that this metadata was persisted back to the files themselves using the Box API. Okay, so you can see that Claude Code created an invoices folder. All 4 of these invoices are here. So let's go ahead and just pick the first one. Awesome. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on the metadata tab. And there you go. Invoice 7302075. Boom. It matches exactly what's in the PDF. So this is really just scratching the surface of what developers and non-developers can do with the Box CLI. You can download it today. It's available at developers.box.com or our GitHub repo. And we just can't wait to see what you build and what you automate. Take care. Bye.